Hi, good morning. Welcome to Daily Market Dose with Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and important key levels to watch out for. Nifty now nearing to the major resistance zones 19,480 to 19,530 550 zones, and major supports now shifting towards 19,150 to 19,200 zones. Now, will Nifty sustain above 19,550 and continue its pullback is a big question mark. Bank Nifty too has been trading in the range between this 43,300 to 43,800 zones, and now yesterday it has seen a doji candle, which is also a bit concerning and reversal mode for the day. And Bank Nifty sustaining above 44,000 levels and 44,300 would be a challenge for Bank Nifty and for the bulls. Advanced decline is also favoring for the market, and crude oils correcting is a welcoming for markets, as we have been updating from past three to four sessions. Now, Nifty on a derivatives front, major resistance placed at 19,480, 19,530 zones, and major supports placed at 19,200 to 19,130 zones. Bank Nifty 2 major resistance placed at 44,200 followed by 44,500, and major supports placed at 43,200 and 43,400 zones. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the market updates and is useful for your trading and investment decisions. If so, hit the like button and do share it to your friends and relatives looking for market updates and market insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, kindly do subscribe the channel for more market updates and interesting insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.